Hey guys, so just a bunch of random stuff in this video, just a bunch of things I didn't get around to. There's this frame here that I'm meaning to build. I finally built it. It's the Tinsley F50. Did a frame review a while back and decided just to use this to put some bunch of parts in here that I've been I've been meaning to do reviews on, but I just haven't had a chance to really get around to it. First off, the motors here, the Eagle Power, these are the 2305, 2888 kV motors. Pretty nice motors, very smooth. Got these new props from GemFan. These are the 5149 props, and they're compatible with the new POPO system, POPO, the one from Luminaire. And I guess it's like a fast switching where you can pop the prop on and off. That's compatible with that one. It's a new feature. And you can see compared to their standard 5152 prop, you can see that the blade is quite a bit thinner here at the hub, and obviously the pitch is a little bit less, so it should be a little bit less amp draw for this motor. It's a pretty high kV, so that should be interesting. The camera here is the Foxeer Monster Pro Mini, and I had some questions on what the difference was with the image quality of the Mini versus the Micro, and to me it seems about the same. Obviously you got a bigger M12 lens, so it's probably going to be better in low light, but I think during daytime situations it'll probably be the same. The stack here is nothing special. 30 amp 401 AC, Omnibus F4 flight controller, I think that's from AKK, and then this video transmitter is also from AKK. It's the FX2, and it's got a pagoda antenna on the back. Not a whole lot here that's super interesting other than the props and the motors and the camera, and I just threw it on this frame, and we'll just make a video out of this one. So yeah, I have the flight demo here for you guys. You can see what the hear what the props sound like. They sound pretty similar to the 5152s. To me, not a whole lot of difference, and I think that they handle. I think there's a little bit less prop wash on this one compared to the 5152s. But that could be totally subjective. Anyway guys, a little flight demo here for you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.